Very nice question, actually. As you know that, the whole era is changing with respect to technology, with respect to the AI, etc. And that is demanding a lot of variations and changes in bringing in the university system itself. At Amrita University, we believe in that we have to have both heart and head together, where the students needs to have education for life and living, along with that compassion driven research to solve the global challenges. In that respect, we are making sure that we provide them with the high quality teaching experience and teaching and learning experience integrated with actually the experiential learning programs, where we give the students the opportunity to live in the communities, understand the challenges, and build sustainable solutions through a program called Live in Labs. So we make sure that heart works very closely with head so that we can bring in the required output. And major approach we have also brought in as it's not only that they work with the community, we provide them spaces and collaboration opportunities to work with industries and also the work with international communities, international universities. So the education system has been molded in such a manner that they have faculties from both industry and international who will actually teach them, train them, provide them opportunities to do research together, and also have integrated degree programs to move forward. So this will actually provide them an opportunity to cater to the changing environment. So you will not stop because you will know the changing environment ahead of time, and accordingly you are able to move forward. That is one of the way we are, and also to bring in the smartness in the whole system itself because of a lot of technology, the smart spaces and also integrated learnings has been brought in both with respect to virtual based learning, remote triggered learning, and also with respect to adaptive learning aspects has been run. Along with that, there are different approaches, pedagogical approaches we have introduced, where we are providing them peer-based learning, experiential learning, also for them to do more and engage more. The university system also is currently students want creativity. They want to know more because knowledge is provided through a lot of different sources. Now, to handle that knowledge, I need to have interdisciplinary domain aspect. So the curriculum has been built in such a manner they can actually move from one course domain to another course in very quickly. So the ecosystem provides you to dive through different areas and achieve whatever is necessary for them to build as an innovation to take forward. So that innovation mind creativity and at the same time thinking about the society is what integrated together in the university. And that should be the future because with all of them together only, we can actually build a global society where peace will provide. It is an honor to be part of this Economic Times Summit, actually, what is happening here. And it gave me an opportunity to interact with thought leaders from different universities, different industries, and also to understand what are the different changes happening in the education environment. And we were able to actually have a lot of collaborative discussions, which provided us to also talk about what are the new paradigms we have to approach, what are the new ways in which we can adopt the changing environment and build a better university also. And this type of summits actually to bring in the thought leaders is a very good idea for us whenever the changing environment is happening. Today it is happening in a very fast. So the whole summit was very useful in such a manner to interact with the most prominent people, and also because the summit had both higher education and also school education. I had an opportunity to go to the school education side also. It was very good to see because these are actually interlinked very well. And to see that both those educational pathways are going together and how one's output to the other's input, how we have to mold them up was very, very clearly brought out in that whole summit.